Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out Snapchat account from all devices. So for this, first of all, just open the Snapchat application, and after opening, just tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner and then simply tap on this settings icon in the upper right corner. Now you will see this interface. So you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you can see this third option from the last, save login info. You just have to tap on it. And as you can see, this is the history I have logged in my Snapchat on these devices. So what you can do is you just have to tap on this red minus button, and as you can see, are you sure you want to delete? So you just have to tap on this yes, and you have to repeat this process for all these devices, and this will delete your login history from all the devices. So you just repeat this process until you finish this list. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can log out Snapchat account from all other devices. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.